What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. We working on the 1980 Camaro. It's been a little while since y'all have seen it, but I got the engine pulled. I apologize for skipping filming it, but it was just, going so smoothly I didn't want to stop. But here's the engine. We pulled it, or I pulled it, because I don't know if y'all remember, but about 2 years ago, this side head was squirting water out of, I can't really remember now, out of one of the valves, the holes or something. So it had a cracked head or block or something. So I don't really remember the details. So I went ahead and pulled it and picked up this Oldsmobile 350 here. And it came with a transmission, which probably be for sale if anybody needs one. But as y'all remember, converted this over to Oldsmobile, so it's not a Chevrolet powered Camaro. So anyways, we got this one and been messing with it, swapping over, some pump, like power steering pumps and parts and stuff. Got a pretty good deal on it from a friend of ours through the family. And I just wanted to crank it and make sure it ran before I put it in, because cylinder number 3 had water in it and it was kind of seized on that cylinder. It didn't want to go past it. So I took all the plugs out, soaked it really good with some lube, and finally got it to break free. And so I put the starter on it. This is kind of how I got it wired. For those who have never done this, I just got a power wire. I hope y'all can see that. And then I got my ignition wire there. So basically, as soon as I touch that green one to the power, or the positive, it turns the engine over. This white wire I have running up to the ignition coil, which gives it the spark. So pretty simple. And then I also got this wire just kind of rigged into a ground strap going to the head. Nothing fancy, but it works. So this is really all you need to test an engine out to see if it's going to run. You don't really need a fancy engine tester, light stand or whatever. I mean, you can do it on a hoist or engine stand, no problem. I mean, you can run an engine with no coolant in it for roughly a minute with no problem. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and test it and see if she'll run, and then if it does, in it goes. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so I got my lovely assistant Faith.
What's up, y'all?
On the camera. And I got my lovely brother here, Josh. And we're gonna crank this joker up. So he's gonna be operating the gas. I'm gonna operate some wires, and hopefully it'll fire up for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch the coil wire first. Ready, Josh?
Ready.
All right, here we go. There you have it. So that's how you start an engine on an engine hoist. Now that I've verified the engine runs, sounds pretty good. I mean, it's running on 20-year-old plug wires and spark plugs that was pretty well corroded. I had to scrape, build up and just old gunk off of it. So I mean, to be what it is, it's running really well, I mean, honestly. So I think with new wires, plugs, all that good stuff, I'll probably go ahead and put the HEI that I had out of that engine into here. That'll give it some more power. And for right now, I'll probably just end up leaving the little 2-barrel. So still got a little bit to go. Putting this balancer on was surprisingly a pain. It took about 3 hours. I don't know why. I even broke the installer that I had to rent to put it on. So I hope I can get my money back. But we still got a lot to do, figuring out, vacuum lines, stuff like that. And I do have a 4-barrel intake to go on it if I decide to put one. Actually, I got 2 So there, you know, there's some more things we can do to it. I got different valve covers, you know, stuff like that. Still got to put, you know, fans, stuff like that on, but we'll do it once we get it in. I also got to get a new dipstick tube, stuff like that. So I don't know if I'll show putting it in or not. I might just call it a video here, just kind of a short little video, and kind of get y'all curious what I've been doing. I've been going through a little bit of stuff. My dad passed away, so that's why I've, you know, been taking another little break from YouTube. But we're about to get it back going, and hopefully this might be the first little series we do again, is getting the Camaro going. And over here is face formula that we've been working on. It's got some issues going on, and my regular Firebird, I'll probably, I don't know, we might end up building hers, or I might just give her this engine. I got both of them running. This one runs pretty good, so hers is either got a bad head gasket or something, so I might just gift her my engine and just swap them one day and make another video out of it. But here's some of the parts. Like I was saying, I do got that Holley 4-barrel, but got it all tore apart. And here's my HEI. Anywho, I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick video. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it.